Hello everyone, myself Vanshika Somvanshi and we are team Zero Thinkers and we are here to discuss a critical rising concern. Our project addresses a critical and rising concern in our daily lives, microplastic contamination. On average, each of us drinks 3 liters of water every day and we never really know if that water contains microplastics. Even the seafood we consume like fish and prawns is increasingly contaminated. Stud- Studies now link microplastics to serious health issues, including cancer, and even a recent report found alarming levels of microplastics in the Sundarbans mangrove system. Currently, microplastics are detected in laboratories using techniques like FTIR or Raman spectroscopy. While accurate, these methods cost around 8 to 10 lakhs, making them impractical for widespread monitoring. To solve this, we present AquaSense, a low cost, portable, and intelligent sensor system for real time microplastic detection. What exactly our solution does it take? The water sample from the source and then it is placed in a detection chamber where we test it on multi-modal sensing. Firstly, a photodiode at 90-degree measures light scattering for particle size estimation. Then, a fluorescence channel helps differentiate between dust and particles. Since plastics uniquely absorb UV and re emit fluorescence. Further, an A7262 spectral sensor captures the polymer specific optical fingerprint. Now, the parameters that are checked for detection are scattering percent, fluorescence, and spectral pattern, and are then sent to ESP32 microcontroller and enabled with LoRa GSM module. If connected to the server, the data is transmitted via LoRa GSM to the cloud, where an XGBoost model classifies particle type, size, and other parameters using lab provided datasets. If what if connectivity fails? No problem. A tiny model runs offline on the ESP32, providing real-time local detection. By using low-cost sensor combined with ML models, we reduce the overall system cost to just rupees 10,000, making it drastically cheaper than laboratory methods while still maintaining accuracy. The unique selling points USP of AquaSense are intelligent sensor fusion for reliable detection, AI driven water quality monitoring, and a field deployable portable design suitable for real world. Thank you for your time and thoughtful attention. Team Zero Thinkers is grateful for the opportunity to share AquaSense with you.